Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add Brent Oil in MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to quotes here at the bottom left. Click on it, then go to the plus icon here at the top right. Now go directly to Energies group and make sure that you link it your MetaTrader 5 with a broker. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have crude oil brand, UK oil. If you can't see it here, or if you have a lot here, you can use the search bar here. Just type UK oil, okay? UK oil, like this. And you will see it. Now click on it just one time. Let's go back. And as you can see here, this is our UK oil on codes, okay? Now click on it and click on chart. And now, as you can see here, this is the crude oil brand. Okay, as you can see here, UK oil. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.